The Blackwell everyone whispers about. RTX Pro 6000 quietly replacing clusters and ADA rigs. You're there right now, 3 a.m., fan screaming, progress bar frozen because your model just blew past 48 gigabytes again. Heart pounding, deadline laughing at you. Type me if you're dying inside watching another dream choke on VRAM limits. Ever felt like the hardware is personally sabotaging your genius? That suffocating knot in your chest every time you hit run and pray, it's real. It's heavy. It steals your flow, your sleep, your edge. But what if one card loaded everything and never blinked? Lean in. I'm about to hand you the cheat code they don't want you to have. Then I plugged in the NVIDIA RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell Professional Workstation Edition graphics card, and yeah, my jaw actually dropped. 96 gigabytes of GDDR7 ECC swallowed a 400B class model whole. Full KV cache, zero offloading, just instant. 5th generation Tensor Cores turned week-long fine-tunes into same-day wins. 4th generation RT cores made path-traced 16K scenes interactive, like I was gaming, not working. PCIe Gen 5 plus 1.8 terabytes per second bandwidth meant data teleported from CPU, no more waiting for the pipe. Double flow-through cooling laughed at 600 watts, sustained, stayed Arctic. Universal MIG let me run inference, training, and rendering in isolated slices like I had 4 cards. Last month, I almost missed a make-or-break client flight because the old rig was still rendering. This card finished it while I packed. When the viewport went buttery smooth on a scene that used to crash everything. Actual goosebumps. Stick around, the bonus tip at the end is straight up unfair. Time saved turns into laser focus. Laser focus turns into performance spikes. Performance spikes turn into results that make people ask who the hell you're working with. Still skeptical? Cool. Here's the graveyard of doubts. Lead AI researcher, Fortune 50 replaced 4 H100s with one of these for their RAG pipeline. 4.3 times faster inference. Hollywood VFX Studio, scenes that took 8 to 10 RTX 6000 ADA cards now finish on 2 Blackwells. National Lab HPC Architect, CFD and FEA jobs that needed 8 to 12 A100s now rip on 4 of these. Better performance per watt than H100 SXM. Autonomous driving ML lead, 200B plus NERF neural lenience field training dropped from 19 days to under 4. Even the level 1 techs or Puget collaborator with early access called it the most ridiculous single GPU performance I've ever seen. I watched it eat a full chip thermal simulation that used to take 38 hours, finished in 4.5, with my own eyes. Yeah, it pulls 600 watts and ships OEM tray only, but when it's outperforming server-grade silicon in a workstation, those drawbacks start sounding like excuses. Wait till you hear the one thing thousands won't shut up about in private discords. Comment the biggest model you've ever wanted to run locally if this just melted your brain. No screaming, no hype, just quiet confidence from the ones who already know. The NVIDIA RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell Professional Workstation Edition graphics card is the single GPU key that unlocks data center superpowers on your desk. No queue, no compromise, no permission needed. Join the ones who are low-key obsessed. Come see why we're never going back to good enough. First link in description. I pinned it right at the top so you don't have to hunt. See you on the other side, where bottlenecks are just a funny old story.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.